Would you like to have more money in your life? And do you agree that it's probably easier to make and have more if you understand how money works? Yes? Great. Thank you. Because that is the purpose of this channel. My name is Florian Fritz. I'm a money teacher and founder of the Money Hero Academy. And I welcome you to my channel where I will share valuable tips and tricks, tools, techniques on how to improve, how to master the three pillars of financial success: money mindset, money management, and money making, so that you will be able to attract more money into your life, keep more of it, and make it work for you, so you'll build wealth and financial freedom without working any harder. Is that something you're interested in? If yes, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any video, like your favorite videos, so that will help other people to find the channel and me to grow it and to create even more and even better content. And also to help you even more improve your financial life, please join my free Facebook group where I shall share even more tips, tricks, tools, techniques on how to improve your finances. On Facebook, you can find the link in the description. See you there.